This 2018 Entegra Coach Anthem 42DEQ is a Class A RV. It is located in Liberty Lake, Washington, 99016 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Liberty Lake. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment. This 2018 Entegra Coach Anthem 42DEQ is built on a Spartan K2 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.